Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you dream of studying in the US, you're in the right place. Today we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting into a US university. So grab a notebook and let's get started. The first step is research. You need to decide what you want to study and which universities offer the best programs for you. Look at the course curriculum, university rankings, location, and costs. Shortlist a few universities that meet your criteria. Remember, this is where you'll spend a few years, so choose wisely. Next, you need to prepare for standardized tests. Most U.S. universities require English language proficiency tests like TOEFL or IELTS. If you're applying for an undergraduate program, you might need to take the SAT or ICT. For graduate programs, the GRE or GMAT is often required. Start preparing early and take practice tests to boost your confidence. Now it's time to gather your documents. You'll need your academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, a statement of purpose, or SOP, and a resume. Your SOP is your chance to tell your story, so make it compelling. Highlight your achievements, experiences, and why you want to study that specific program. Once your documents are ready, start applying. Each university has its own application portal. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully and meet all deadlines. Some universities may charge an application fee, so be prepared for that. Studying in the U.S. can be expensive, but there are many financial aid and scholarship opportunities. Research and apply for scholarships offered by the universities, as well as external scholarships. This can significantly reduce your financial burden. Some universities might require an interview as part of the admission process. This could be a video call or an in-person interview. Be ready to talk about your academic background, career goals, and why you chose their university. Practice common interview questions to boost your confidence. Congratulations! If you receive an offer, it's time to make a decision. Compare your options and accept the offer from the university that fits you best. Don't forget to pay the deposit to secure your spot. With your acceptance letter, you'll receive an I-20 form from the university. You'll need this to apply for your F-1 student visa. Pay the SEVIS fee, fill out the DS-160 form, and schedule a visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Make sure to bring all required documents and be prepared to answer questions about your study plans and financial status. Finally, it's time to prepare for your big move. Book your flight, arrange your accommodation, and attend any pre-departure orientations your university offers. Get ready to start an exciting new chapter in your life. By the way, if you're in Hyderabad and need expert guidance, check out Brooklyn Review. We specialize in helping students like you get into top U.S. universities. Our team is ready to assist you with everything from test preparation to visa interviews. Contact us today and let's start your journey to success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.